What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I want to give you an update on me teaching welding classes in Little Rock, Arkansas at the Goodwill industry. These are some places that was already done from the previous class. I had them for about 4 more weeks. They had already did about 12 weeks when I entered the class, so I still got about a week and a half with them left. So this is what they did beforehand. Some of the test plates wasn't as grand, but they did them kind of early. So I started testing today after 2 weeks of training with me. Now, up here, this is the top, so you can see those that was doing okay or what the situation was. Now this is all flux core, actually overhead, vertical, vertical, vertical. Now we got me teaching and getting to do it. That goes the same thing. So you can see the improvement, and all I was doing was showing them where they was going wrong, what they're doing wrong, their travel speed, their angles, the degree they're using, how to tie in, what to look for, checking out the machines and doing a little troubleshooting. But they improved a lot with me working with them hands-on in 2 weeks. So you can only imagine if I had them for the full 16 weeks. And for those who are entering the program, you have 16 weeks. That's a lot of time to get a lot of information, and I believe I can be able to kill several birds with one stone in this program. So you have 16 weeks, family. You're gonna learn stick welding and flux core welding in 2 positions, vertical and overhead. You're gonna learn how to read a tape measure. You're gonna learn some drawings. You're gonna learn some symbols. You're gonna learn the cutting torch and safety and power tools. There's a lot of things that goes on in the 16 weeks program. You're gonna get your OSHA, but I can most definitely teach you how to weld if you are willing to learn. So if you wanna learn welding, family, now is the time to do it if you are in this area. If you're in Little Rock area or surrounding areas and you got the opportunity to come and partake of this program, I would most definitely say you should partake of this program. We got a lot of good information. We're watching videos, we're doing hands-on things, and I don't ask a person to do nothing that I can't do. I like to lead by example. So I stay in the booth all the time, showing them how it's supposed to look, showing them how to hold the gun, how to get in position, how to get comfortable. My goal is to make you better than me. I'm not just trying to get you where you're good. I want you better than I was. And you got the opportunity to do that because I have learned things being in the field and in the shop that I can teach you that will keep you from going through the things that I went through. Hold on.